TV.
Obila e kaunti ma Kisumu koro beda kicha bang' jomoko keyo oboke moko mawacho ni gibiro dhi mbele gi timo monj e alwora ma Sondu bang' jopuonjre tieko timo penj madongo. Komishona ma Nyanza Flora Muorwa wacho ni ng'ata ma biro temo rocho arita kwe e tong'no biro neno makolwer ka okwayo jopiny ni obed kod kwe. Komishona mar NCIC Philip Okundi bende noyango ni chenro mar neno ni otiek lwenye tong' e kind kaunti ma Kericho kod Kisumu dhi nyime kendo duoko idhi yudi machiegni.
Some of those whose houses were burnt to.
But as the organization of religion,
there are some people who are now waiting for exams because their children are doing examinations. You see how selfish our people can be, and then they start fighting. We have transferred very many officers. In fact, those who are there will bear me witness that anti-stock theft unit was removed entirely, and we brought in new officers. We have had some reorganization at Sondu police station, and we continue to do that, including even liaising with the Kisumu side to bring in new officers. I'm sure those of you who have been attending our meetings at the border have seen new faces every now and then. That is what the government has been able to do so far.
There will have to be a multi-agency approach. National Land Commission, IEPC, people will be charged to deal with boundaries or whatever, in the security, internal security, because at the end of the day, they are maintaining the security. And of course, a National Cohesion and Integration Commission, we are making sure this happens. So we're having meetings, both sides.
Od bura mar Senate twake wi paro